Angels smoking cigarettes on rooftops in fishnets in the morning with the moon still glowing. And here comes Jesus in an Astrovan rolling down the strip again. He's stoned while Jerry plays. He said life ain't never what it seems. These dreams are more than paper things. And it's alright mama, you're afraid I'll be poor along the way, but I don't wanna see those tears again. You know Jesus drives an Astrovan. Yes, it does.
He's increasing his surface area. Posting a little bit. Good call.
You know the best ones never come down. So if I love at the tip of my toes, reaching out for the great unknown, every addict has illusions. Life ain't never what it seems. These dreams are more than paper things. And it's alright mama, you're afraid I'll be poor along the way, but I don't wanna see those tears again. You know Jesus drives an Astrovan. Yes he does. They say ooh.
Lost. Hashtag get lost.
And maybe there is no heaven, and maybe we're all alone together now, and I don't want to see those tears.
Son of a titty.
Jesus drives an Astrovan.
My feet are about to be cold. Looks like we're about to come up on a ridge though. Mama didn't raise no bitch.
And I don't want to see those tears again. You know Jesus drives an Astrovan.
Everybody wave to the camera. That's Dad, he's bald. It's amazing how much going downhill changes.
Side of where you left my gold rose crown, you broke down and left me with a chest hum, a black gun and $40. Chest hum, a black gun and $40. 2 weeks down, I drowned myself in whiskey, came back round and drowned out and left me with a chest hum, a black gun and $40. Chest hum, a black gun and $40. Street lights talk the same way my mother told me. I walk the same way my father told me. Back straight and chest out, just like a soldier. Back straight and chest out, just like a soldier. Wise men talk the same way my mother told me. I walk the same way chest out, just like a soldier. Back straight and chest out, just like a soldier.
They are all going different directions. Set up to check back in. We are checking on trail day 2. Did check in as I can go with this tired. So goes to be dryer suits. Probably got about 7 minutes today. We didn't drink anything yesterday. Here we go.
Chest out, just like a soldier. Back straight and chest out, just like a soldier. Well, I'm running like my hands on fire, and I don't intend to stop even when my legs grow tired. And yes, I'm stumbling on my peace of mind. There's regret in my soul that I did not invite. And I've got a secret, and I do not intend to keep it.
Come on, guys, today. These guys sleep in a tent together.
Just let me be.
I do not want to get my nuts in. Oh, fuck! Oh, that was cool.
Hold on tight, but don't let go. I need you like now more than ever before. Once you forsake me, don't let it be now. 'Cause there is a place that I like to go where no one can listen and judge on my soul. Please, oh, please don't let me go alone. And I've got a secret, and I do not intend to keep it. You covered up my soul for far too long. I've got a message from Colorado straight from Texas. You captured most
Long
of
hikes,
me,
one short hike,
just let it be.
Peace out.
To God that time ain't wrong, and I hope to God that time ain't wrong, 'cause I can't be holding on like this for long. And I hope to God that time ain't wrong, and I hope to God that time ain't wrong, 'cause I can't be holding on like this for long, 'cause I can't be holding